Unveiling the mystery. The meaning of smoke and mirrors. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's widely used in English: smoke and mirrors. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension of the English language. Let's explore what it signifies and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, smoke and mirrors, originates from the world of magic and illusion. Magicians often use smoke and mirrors to create illusions, making something appear or disappear, or to deceive the audience into seeing something that's not really there. The mirrors reflect light in such a way that the audience is tricked, while smoke adds to the mystique and confusion. This tactic of distraction and illusion is at the heart of the phrase's meaning. When someone says that something is all smoke and mirrors, they mean that what appears to be true or real is actually a deception. It's used to describe situations, actions, or things that seem impressive but are lacking in substance or truth. The phrase can apply to politics, business, entertainment, or any scenario where appearances are manipulated to deceive. To better understand how smoke and mirrors is used, let's look at a few examples. In politics, a policy might be criticized as smoke and mirrors if it's thought to be just a way to distract the public from real issues. In business, a company's financial success might be described as smoke and mirrors if it's believed to be based on deceptive practices rather than solid performance. In personal relationships, someone might say a friend's excuse is smoke and mirrors if they think it's just a way to hide the real reason behind their actions. Incorporating smoke and mirrors into your English can help you convey skepticism or disbelief about the truth or substance of something. Here's how you can use it. When discussing something that seems deceptive or too good to be true, you might say, "I think it's just smoke and mirrors." To express doubt about the genuineness of something, you might comment, "This seems like a lot of smoke and mirrors to me." Understanding and using the phrase, smoke and mirrors, can enhance your English vocabulary and allow you to express complex ideas about truth, deception, and appearances. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning behind this intriguing expression. Remember, the English language is filled with colorful phrases that can make your communication more vivid and expressive. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.